Hi and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to show you how to change region in FIFA Mobile. So first, you will need to start up your FIFA Mobile. And after you start up your FIFA Mobile, and then just click on settings, and you will find your region in the top right corner of the settings window. So to change your server, you have to exit the game and go to settings, go to your app management, and then find FIFA Mobile. After that, you need to force stop the game, and after force stopping the game, you actually need to clear the data and clear the cache of the app. Then after that, you need to open your chosen VPN, and for me, I am using Proton VPN, and just open your VPN, and then we are going to use Japan. So you will end up with on an Asian server. And then next after that, just launch the mobile app again. After that, launch FIFA Mobile again, and you need to create a new account. So keep one thing in mind, that do not write the data that's on your original account. So if you want to use your original account, then click on guest and make a new account which will be stored on your phone. So remember not to swipe away your original data. So start the game and you will be in a different region now. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something, and if you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.